How's it going, guys? It's Ferrari, or some people know me on Instagram as House of Toys. And today I got home from work, and my neighbor surprised me with a Hot Wheel. It's a treasure hunt, regular treasure hunt. It's a 1971 Buick Riviera. Look how beautiful that is. So, give me a second and let me open it. And my question is, what kind of rims should I go for? I want to do a wheel swap on it because I have the Super Treasure Hunt one, and that's freaking awesome. So I just don't know what kind of rims I want to go for. Here we go. Look at that. Wow. All right, let's open it really quick, and then we'll go from there. And then I also got a couple of rims on the side, so we can show you guys. Get it out. This car's beautiful. Throw that out there. Look at that. Look at that TH on there. Beautiful. Alright, let's put that right here on the side. So these are the rims that I have. I like to call these JDM, you know, just some awesome rims. Or I can go lowrider with some gold spokes with the white wall. Or I can go a little casual, chrome on white. Also, that's 100 spokes. Or I can just all go just chrome with black walls. Or I can do something like this. So my question is for you guys, and if you guys can help me out, what kind of rims should I go for? Should I go for the Lolos? Should I go for the import look? Should I go for the domestic? Or should I just go for the lower? You know, something, because if I do a Lolo, look how nice it looks. And that rear will look awesome. Give me a second. Let me see if I can find the rear. Quick second.